Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a repository on GitHub. First of all, you have to log into your GitHub account, and from there you'll see a similar interface like this. On the top right, if you click on your profile, in the next option you will find your repositories. Click on it and you will be able to see all the repositories that you have added. Click on the repository that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this YouTube repository. Up next, on the very top, you will find the settings. Click on it and from this menu, scroll down to the very bottom. In the danger zone, at the very bottom, you see delete this repository option. Click on it and confirm that I want to delete this repository. And once you have confirmed it, you have to make sure that you have read and understand the effects of deleting this repository and confirm it. You have to type the name of your repository in the box. For example, I have to type my username slash the name of my repository. After that, I have to select delete. So that's how you delete a repository from your GitHub. Thank you very much.